how's it going? So we're going to be doing a video on removing the headlights. Definitely getting tired of these old foggy headlights. We're going to be installing these new LED headlights. So for this video, we're just going to start with the pretty much R&R removal of the original to replace these. And then another video, we're going to get into installing the actual LED and wiring that in. So my idea is to wire these LEDs into the fog light. So when I turn the fog lights on, the LED will turn on as well. So to start, we want to start by removing and or pulling forward the grill. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws up here. So we're going to start by removing those. I believe it's either going to be an 8mm or a screw like this, a star head screw on your guys' truck. So it all kind of depends on what you have. Just grab whatever tool you have. Like I said, it's either going to be an 8mm and or a screw like mine. This is going to be for a 2005 to 2007 headlight removal. So here it goes. So there goes the 4. Set these aside up here, make sure you don't lose them. So I believe we're just going to pull these forward so that we can have more access to pull out the headlights. So I'm going to have 4 screws in total to remove the headlights. These are also going to be screws. We have 1 here, 1 back here tucked away, and then 2 down here. So we're going to start with removing these top ones. Here's 1. I am on the driver's side right now. And like I said, same things with these headlights. It's either you're going to have a screw, star head to remove these 4 screws, or you're going to have 8mm. So adjust as you go. Like I said, for me, I'm pretty lucky. I'm just going to have to use this long screwdriver so I can reach these 2 back ones here. So we're going to be removing 1 here. Just be careful. If it falls, go ahead and grab her. What I'm going to do is just grab finger, pull the screw out here. Got another screw hidden back here. So like I said, it's going to be 4 screws in total. Very, very simple R&R of the headlights. So let's see if this screw dropped it. I'll pick it up. Alrighty, so that's 4. She should be loose now. Just going to pull her forward. This is why we removed the grill, so we can have access. Slide the headlights forward. So let's see what's kind of in our way here. So you're going to slide the head out this way. We're going to go twist, remove here. Make sure we don't damage the bulbs. Keep them up here. We're going to do the turn light, twist and remove. Same thing with this by twist and remove. There's 1. Let's head on over to the passenger side. It's going to be the same thing. Grab your screwdriver and or 8mm. Remove here. 1. Remove here. 2. Very, very simple removal. So while we're doing this, we're going to talk a little bit about my truck. This is a 2004 model, but I do have a 2004 and a half. So I got year 2003 engine, which is going to be VIN number 4EA. And I do have the front clip though of a 2005 to 2007. Which honestly I prefer. They just look so much better and so much cleaner to do. So just gonna keep going here. I just removed both screws from the bottom. Alrighty, drop them both, but just pick them up, put them in a safe, secure spot. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Slide this guy out, pull the grill forward, pull up. Same thing, lefty loosey, get the bulbs out, tuck them up and away, turn signal. Alrighty, there's that. Alrighty, so with the new ones, this is going to be pretty much Harley Davidson edition, the black background with the LED strip here. Like I said, we're going to do a video later I'm gonna wire these into the actual fog light so that my LED strip turns on with the fog lights. So pretty much whatever new headlights you have, go ahead and remove the stickers. And then like we did before, lefty loosey to get them out. It's gonna be righty tighty to pop them in. So I'm gonna pop the turn signal in. To align it, you'll see it visually which way. Alrighty, there it is, righty tighty. Pop the bottom. Same thing. Righty tighty. That's in there secure. Alrighty, so what I noticed is I had to pop this actual black grommet, you know, to protect the water protector off. Slide it onto the headlight. Go ahead and pop it in from there. It's a lot easier than having to struggle with the grommet. And then go ahead and pop that grommet on. Beautiful. There it is. Nice and easy. Like I said, just pop it off. Slide the headlight on, and there it goes. And from here, pull the grill forward. Make sure you're gentle, don't want to break any of the clips. Alright. Make sure got it in. Alright, so we have the headlight popped in, so you're going to grab your 4 screws and now go in reverse. I'm going to start with one of the top ones just to secure it, this top corner right over here. Got really shaky hands, so I'm just going to secure it here, not tighten it all the way. Secure this one here. I'm not going to tighten them all the way because I do want to have room to play downstairs. So now I'm going to go ahead and screw the 2 bottom ones down. Make sure it's nice and snug. Screwing the bottom second one in. Alrighty, nice and snug. I'm gonna go back up here, finish securing these up here. Alrighty, there's that. That's headlight 1. I think personally makes a big difference. You want to go ahead and show them the front side of that bad boy. Look at that. Huge difference. Alrighty, let's jump onto installing headlight number 2. Alrighty, so if you have the LED, like I said, I'm going to show you how to wire these in my next video. I just tied it around the headlight so that it gets out of the way. So like I said, move stickers here. 1, 2, and 3. Remove the grommet, get that out of your way. Let's get into installing little guy down here. Righty tighty. This one here. Same thing. Righty tighty. Last but not least, get the grommet around here. Very, very simple video. Don't be afraid to attempt it yourself. Like I said, I didn't use any special tools. I literally just used a screwdriver to complete this whole task. And if you have the 8mm, you know, just grab yourself an 8mm, get yourself going. Pull the grill forward. slide it in. Same thing, I'm gonna start with the 2 screws. Just get them started. I'm not gonna snug them all the way, so I can adjust the lower screws. Screw 1. Leave it loose. I'm gonna do screw 2. Leave it nice and loose. We have play downstairs. Alrighty. Screw number 1. Alrighty, we're gonna secure the 2 bottom screws. I'm having a little trouble just due to the fact that I hit my bumper on a rock while off-roading. Yeah, we'll get it going. Alright, there it goes. Get it nice and snugged up. That's 1. Here's number 2. I'm going to sneak it in through here. Get the second one screwed on. Nice and snug. Snug. Alright, we're going to finish with the top ones. Get them nice and snug. Tear that off. Those are secure. And we're going to finish with the bumper. It's going to be number 1. Number 2. So what you're going to want to do while installing these 4 screws, it's either going to have a screw head or 8mm. Push on the bumper with one hand while you're screwing with the other one. Make sure you get this nicely and snug. And last but not least, there it is. Alrighty guys, so that's how you're gonna install your 2005 to 2007 headlights. Next step, I'm obviously gonna get the LEDs hooked up, LED strip, and then probably gonna get some LED headlight bulbs. Could look a lot fancier. My next video I'm gonna do is front bumper removal. Like I said, I went off-roading, I wanna say last Sunday. I did hit the front bumper, so if you want to show them where I kind of did the damage. I hit the front bumper with a rock. I tried doing what a Jeep Cherokee could do, 1999, and didn't see the rock because of how high I am, and kind of damaged that. So we're gonna remove this chrome bumper and convert to the black one over there that's laying on the floor. So that's gonna be my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, this is a 2005 to 2007 Ford F-250 and F-350 headlight removal. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe, like the video. If you have any comments and or questions, leave them below.